Hey there, welcome back to another Filmora tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to work with green screen footage in Filmora. Whether you're creating a vlog, a presentation, or a creative project, green screens can add a whole new dimension to your videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Filmora. To begin, I've already imported my main video into the project, along with a green screen video. Let's start by dragging our main video onto the video track 1 in the timeline. Then, take your green screen video and drag it above the main video onto the video track 2. Step 2. Apply green screen. Now, right-click your green screen video, or you can simply click on the green screen icon here in the toolbar. This will activate the green screen effect for your clip. As you can see, my video already has the green screen removed, but let's fine-tune it using the chroma key settings. Start by clicking the eyedropper tool and select the green background in your video to ensure an accurate color match. Now, you can play around with these 4 sliders to get the perfect look. The tolerance slider controls how much of your shade of green is keyed out. Adjust it until your subject looks well separated from the background. If you have any green spill or imperfections on the edges, the edge thickness slider can help clean it up. And if you want to soften the edges of your subject, use the edge feather slider to achieve a smoother look. And there you have it. That's how you quickly work with green screen footage in Filmora. It's a simple process that can take your videos to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.